So now that NASA's Ingenuity helicopter has found its final resting place on Mars, what comes next? Well, let me introduce you to this pretty lady that goes by the name of Maggie. Short for the Mars Aerial and Ground Global Intelligent Explorer, this chick may be able to fly 10,000 miles on Mars per year. Now, no way we're getting planes on Mars before GTA 6. Powered by the sun, it could take off and land vertically like a helicopter, meaning you could land any place you want. Maggie was just selected for Phase 1 development in NASA's Innovative Advanced Concepts program, so we do have a long way to go. But how wild would it be to have a plane that could explore the entire surface of Mars? Like, what? Everyone should be excited about this unless you got an ex named Maggie. A historic Mars mission named after an ex-girlfriend? Yeah, that's tough. Thoughts and prayers, brother. You're better without her, I promise.